Picture description in English. Topic: a birthday party. A family is decorating their living room for a birthday party. On the left, a woman is standing on a stool and hanging beautiful golden lights and decorations above a cozy fireplace. The fireplace has a warm fire burning inside, making the room feel comfortable and inviting. Over the fireplace, there is a shelf with a photo frame, a clock, and a small pot with a green plant placed neatly. The wall is decorated with soft-colored wallpaper and a few lovely pictures. A man is helping by putting up more decorations near the wall. In the center of the room, there is a table covered with a pink cloth and a birthday cake with candles is placed on it. A soft carpet lies on the floor, adding warmth to the room. There is also a lamp with a lampshade placed beside a comfortable sofa. On the right side, a small boy is happily holding a bunch of colorful balloons in red, blue, green, yellow, and orange and is moving with excitement. Another woman is looking after the boy. A few balloons in orange and green are lying on the floor nearby. Behind them, there is a large window that lets in natural light. Big curtains are drawn to the sides, making the room look bright and airy. Everyone looks busy and joyful as they prepare for the birthday celebration. The picture shows love, happiness, and family bonding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to get more educational videos on English, spoken English, and more. See you in the next video.